Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to showcase LYNX Pro, the subscription-based features that we have embedded inside LYNX Whiteboard. Now LYNX Whiteboard is a free app to use, but you'll find if you become a user of LYNX that certain tools are locked behind a subscription. Sounds annoying, but really when you consider the price of AI tools and you realize the price of our subscription, you'll see that it's really very reasonable for everything that you get. It's basically £2 a month for an individual user, or if your school or college or establishment want a site license, you can apply online via our website www.lynxcloud.app and you can get it for much cheaper than £2 a month each person. So what does LYNX Pro give you? Well, for a start, it gives you a content generator, and that includes the ability to type in a description of an image that you would like, and then the image will be created for you, as you can see here. Also, you might get it to create a whole presentation or some text for you, and the AI will search the internet for the information and then present it in a format based on whichever audience you specify. But there's so much more than that as well. So for example, let's say there's an image that you've cropped from another source and it's a little bit blurry. Well, there's an upscale image tool which will re-crisp the pixelation of the images, as you can see with the robot on the right. Look at the sentence in the middle of the screen. It does not have any punctuation and the spelling is terrible. So let's improve it. I'm going to activate the AI assistant on our floating toolbar there. And here we are, we're in the text area for sorting this out. So I've got pages for if I want to create a brand new presentation, media for if I want to generate an image or search for an image with an AI assistant doing that for me. But text here, what I could do is I could ask for this terrible sentence to be converted into a paragraph. So there instantly we have got the correct grammar and the correct spelling. But what about if I want to rewrite this sentence? So maybe I want to rewrite it as a suggestion in the top left says as a poem. I could do that. Or I could say make it more dramatic. Or just to keep it simple for this demo, I might decide I just want to change this into another language. So let's change this text into German. There we go. Now there are also a couple of pens that you get with LYNX Pro that a lot of teachers find really useful, and they are the text and shapes pen, and the other one is the maths pen. So the maths pen works very easily. You write an equation and when you pause it will convert into the correct mathematical symbols and it will give you the answer in a hide and reveal box underneath as well. The text pen works by you writing your text, and every time you pause, whether you've written a sentence or just a word, it will then convert your handwriting into a font of your choice, and that is a live text box, so I can delete information in there and type it back in and so on. But it's also a shapes pen, so as I'm scaffolding something on the screen, it will neaten up the images that I stick on there so that my scribbles aren't kind of spoiling the look of the work I'm presenting to my students or the guests in a meeting. We also have extra storage on the LYNX cloud that comes with our screens, and you can create interactive quizzes that an AI will generate the questions for you with as well in our online LYNX activities area. So you can do that either by asking the quiz generator to research the net for you for questions and answers, or you can give it a specific website to use to actually generate the questions for. So some of the benefits of LYNX Pro there. I hope you'll check it out and enjoy.